Hello, I am Pankaj Ran and I am going to take a class of revision tour of Python for class 12. In our last class, we have discussed about different types of statements. There are different types of statements. Number one was simple statement. Number two was compound statement, and number three was empty statement. Now, simple statement were simple statement as a is equal to 5 or parent is, or input perform. That is simple statement. Compound when the conditional or loop statement is used, and empty when interpreter has nothing to do, and statement for the empty statement is false. And we have started last time statement of conditional statement if, and syntax of if was if is if and then condition, like then colon symbol, and then a statement under the if condition. So if condition is a header of this compound statement, and all the statement which are written under this is known as statement under the if statement. They support same indentation. If any statement occurs which is different from the headers, then indentation must be changed. So last time I have take two examples of if statement was greater than number, input a number and check whether number is positive or negative, or enter the number and check whether the age is eligibility for voting. Now it is of three type. First, it plain if. Plain if. What is the plain if? Plain if means when only if condition is there. Then if condition is true, then a statement written after it will be executed. But if condition becomes false, then there will be nothing to explain or nothing to print. So it is plain statement. And when along with if else statement is there, then it will true, it will show if the condition is true something, and if condition is false, then print then it show something. So complete statement is if what is the syntax of if condition statement. Now then we have to press the tab key and write else, and then colon sign, it is represent the next statement of this. So it is a complete statement. If condition given with the if statement is true, then statement written after if will true execute. If condition of if is false, then statement written after the else will execute. We have learned about these type of statements. Now we have to come to know about different other statement which where same variable having same variable having multiple values, and user have to check all these values. As suppose category is a variable, and their category may be SC, ST, OBC or general. Then variable is same category, and there are different values of general, SC, ST, OBC. So it is multiple branching of the category variable or category operand. So we have to check all these whether the category is general or SC or ST or OBC. So in this case only if and else is not sufficient for handling this. So here new concept is arises known as else if, and it is written as elif. In Python, else if means if condition given with the if is false and condition given with the else is true, then it is becomes as elif. So in Python, else if is written as elif, and here next condition is given. If previous condition is not true. If condition given with elif is true, then statement written after will execute. Otherwise, it will execute. It will check other elif and continue the process till the right option will appear. Now check the example of this. Now check the example of this.